Hey there! If you want to understand crypto without getting lost in complicated words, this video is for you. Today, I'm answering the 10 questions every beginner asks. Let's go! Question 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of money that only exists on the internet. You can't touch it like coins or bills, but you can send it to someone, pay for something, or keep it as an investment. It works using a secure system called blockchain, which records all transactions and prevents fraud. Question 2. What's the difference between Bitcoin and other cryptos? Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009. It's also the most well-known and most used. Other cryptos, called altcoins, like Ethereum, Cardano, or Solana, sometimes serve other purposes, creating decentralized applications, selling unique digital images, NFTs, or making quick payments easier. In short, Bitcoin is mostly used as a store of value and a reserve of money, while others can have extra functions. Question 3. How do I buy my first cryptocurrency? To buy, you need to use a special platform like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. You create an account, confirm your identity just like opening a bank account, then you can buy with your bank card or by bank transfer. You choose the crypto you want, the amount, and you're all set. Question 4. What is a wallet? A wallet is a tool that lets you keep and manage your cryptos. There are two main types. Hot wallet. It's connected to the internet. It's handy, but less safe because it can be hacked. Cold wallet. It's not connected to the internet, often like a special USB stick. It's safer for keeping large amounts of money. Question 5. Where are my cryptos after I buy them? Your cryptos aren't physically in your phone or your wallet. They're recorded on the blockchain, a public record that exists on thousands of computers around the world. Your wallet just gives you the proof and the right to use your cryptos. Question 6. Can I lose all my money? Yes, because crypto is very volatile. One day, your cryptocurrency can be worth a lot, and the next, much less. That's why you should only invest what you can afford to lose and not put all your savings into it. Question 7. What if I lose my password or private key? In crypto, there's no forgot password option. If you lose your private key or recovery phrase, your cryptos are lost forever. So you need to write them down on paper, keep them in a safe place, and never show them to anyone. Question 8. How do I avoid scams? Be wary of offers that are too good to be true. Don't believe anyone who promises to double your money quickly. Always check projects before investing. Only use recognized platforms and never click on links sent by strangers. Question 9. Is crypto legal? In most countries, yes. In France, it's allowed, but platforms must be registered with the Financial Markets Authority, or AMF. The rules change depending on the country, so you should always find out what they are where you live. Question 10. Do I have to pay taxes? Yes. In France, if you make money by selling your cryptos, you have to declare your gains. Generally, the rate is about 30% flat tax, but it can vary depending on the situation. It's better to be aware to avoid unpleasant surprises with taxes. There you have it. You now have the answers to the 10 most important questions about crypto. If you want to keep learning and avoid beginner mistakes, subscribe and leave your question in the comments.